Your mama's so stupid she stole free bread.
Oh, mama's so fat when you want shake her hand you have to slap that belly and ride the waves.
Your mama's so greasy she uses bacon as band-aid.
Oh, mama's so stupid she thinks that Taco Bell is a Mexican phone company.
Your mama's so lazy she thinks a two-income family is where your daddy has 2 jobs.
Oh, mama's so lazy she has a remote for her remote.
Your mama's so ugly she has to trick or treat over the phone.
Oh, mama's so poor when I went to your house and stepped on a cigarette butt she said, "Who turned off the heat?"
Your mama's so tall I tripped her and she hit her head on the moon.
Oh, mama's so poor the ducks throw bread at her.
Your mama's so bald you can see what's on her mind.
Oh, mama's so fat when she stepped on the scale it said we wanted your weight not your phone number.
Your mama's so stupid she got fired from the M&M's factory for throwing away all the W's.
Oh, mama's so fat when she went to the movies she sat next to everyone.
Your mama's so stupid she put paper on the TV and called it pay-per-view.
Oh, mama's so bald when she takes a shower she gets brainwashed.
Your mama's so stupid she got locked in a grocery store and starved.
Oh, mama's so fat you have to roll over twice to get off of her.
Your mama's so fat she had to get baptized at SeaWorld.
Oh, mama's so fat when her beeper goes up people think she's backing up.
Your mama's so fat we're in her right now.
Oh, mama's so fat people jog around her for exercise.
Your mama's so fat when she lays on the beach people run around her yelling Free Willy.
Oh, mama's so fat when she goes to the restaurant, looks at the menu and says, "Okay."
Your mama's so fat when you get on top of her your ears pop.
Oh, mama's so stupid she could trip over a cordless phone.
Your mama's so stupid she brought a solar-powered flashlight.
Oh, mama's so stupid when she went to take the 44 bus, she took the 22 twice instead.
Your mama's so stupid she watches The Three Stooges and takes notes.
Oh, mama's so hairy you almost died of rug burn when you were born.
Your mama's so poor your family ate cereal with a fork to save milk.
Oh, mama's so poor when she goes to KFC, she has to lick other people's fingers.
Your mama's so short she poses for trophies.
Oh, mama's so short she has to use a ladder to pick up a dime.
Your mama's so short she does backflips under the bed.
Oh, mama's so bald. When she goes to bed, her head slips off the pillow.
Your mama's so poor when I ring the doorbell she says, "Ding."
Oh, mama's so stupid she asked me what the number for 911 was.
Your mama's so stupid that under education on her job application, she put hooked on phonics.
Oh, mama's so fat when she sat on a rainbow Skittles came out.